So we're sitting on the banks of the Zambezi River, believe it or not. And we've done so much this week, it's so hard to figure out how we're going to pack everything into one video.
Well, we're not. I mean,
okay.
We're going to talk about the boat launch in another video because this video is about Zambia.
Why are we in Zambia? We were in South Africa for so long that our visa expired, so we had to leave the country. And this was a fantastic place to go. We're in the Avani Resort, and we're sitting literally on the banks of the Zambezi River. We're walking distance away from Victoria Falls, and it's been absolutely fantastic. We've done so much, it's just amazing.
It's hard to imagine. I mean, we've been here, what, 4 days now? And we have packed in everything from the monkeys on our balcony to zebras and impalas, not the kind you drive.
Chevy 61.
Yeah, no.
Okay. There have been impalas everywhere. We had lunch with giraffes. We walked along the top of the falls. We walked along the bottom of the falls down by the boiling pot. We have seen and done and been hosted like family at this amazing place. So it's the Avani Resort and their sister resort, the Livingston Grand.
I think it's just the Stanley Livingston.
Oh, okay. Anyway, 2 sister resorts. You're free to go between the 2. Oh, we had massages.
That's right. I forgot about
We've done so much. It's been amazing. So we've captured some footage while we were here, and we will share that with you now. And if you have any questions, let us know. But meanwhile, if you get a chance, this is bucket list material. This has been one of the most amazing trips of our life. Come to Victoria Falls and stay at the Avani Resort.
This is our room. And the bathroom. The shower. And the tub. And the balcony. No, you're not getting anything from me. Good to see you, but... Yep.
He's so posing.
This is our balcony.
And that's a monkey that's out there posing, trying to get us to give him something to eat.
Waiting for food that
But
we're not going to feed him. There are signs all over the place about not feeding the animals. Okay, the monkey seems to have moved on, I think. But now there's a little zebra out here.
I'm not open to the door. I don't trust him. Sneaky devil.
of us to get off the sidewalk so he could pass by,
I
huh?
almost walked right into him. I was looking at my phone, and all of a sudden I heard
Oh.
footsteps. We're on our way down to Victoria Falls, but on the way by, there's like a zebra standing beside us.
Just on the path. Oh, we're going this way?
Yeah.
Okay. So they say the falls is about a 10-minute walk. Is
Yep.
that 10 minutes from the resort? And it's a lovely
Very nice day.
grounds and pretty day.
We'll report in when we get there.
Okay. Yes. Dr. Livingston. You presume correctly. Here we are at the pool. And the pool bar,
Oh, now everybody's gonna know we were at a bar.
having our post Victoria Falls beer
And drying out.
and drying out.
Hey, what's going on? Okay.
We have our own private boat today.